Namimiss mo na ang nostalgic Filipino games tulad ng tumbang preso, patintero, pick-up sticks, jackstone, sipa at iba pa? Di saan ka pa sa Sama Summer Get Together? You can play all those games and relive your childhood. Meron pang entertainment for kids. Saan ka pa? Mamimigay kami ng bigas na hindi lang isang sako pero 1 year supply. O di ba? At meron ka pang choice. You can go to either Italy, Spain, or France, care of one of our sponsors. Don't worry about UK weather. Umulan man o umaraw, safe kayo. May aircon tayo, maganda ang ating venue, high ceilings, ibang-iba. Napakaganda at safe ng ating venue. Para sa buong pamilya, bring your friends, family, kids, Pinoys, non-Pinoys, nurses, non-nurses, sama-sama tayo together. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang Pinoy food at hospitality. Of course, meron pa tayong kantahan na hindi nyo alam kung anong mangyayari at bingguhan. Kaya tara na sa Sama Summer Get Together, E176AL on the 29th of June, Sunday, para sa Sama Summer Get Together. Kita-kits!